Okay, let's now go and create the user interface for our post page. Okay, first of all, what we need to put here, we need to place an profile picture. So we will find an image view. That's the one. Just simply drag your image view here. We'll take the coordinates same like of the profile picture in the bio page. So we're going to the size inspector. So x20, y is 81, width and height is 50. Okay, x20, y is 81, then 50 to 50. Excellent. And we're going now to attribute inspector. The placeholder we will put user png, which will by default will be there in case if user having some profile picture installed. So then this here profile picture will be loaded. Okay, very good. So the next step which we want to make is we want to make the same label which will have a full name of the user. Okay, for that purpose we will find here a UI label like this, and we need it to look identical to that label because this is which called a branding. So the only one moment which we need to pay attention with the appearance is the font, which is Helvetica Neue Bold, and the size is 17. So we will do the same for that label. Font we're selecting your custom one, and Helvetica Neue Bold 17. Excellent. And here I will write some placeholder, first name, last name. Very good. And another moment here, definitely we need a text view to be there. And the difference of the text view from the post page and the bio page is that in the bio the text comes with little font of 15 pixels, while for the post the font is quite bigger. So we will find now a text view. That is the one. Let's make the same 20 pixels gap like this, and this text view I'll make it a little bigger. Let it be 200, and we are going to the attribute inspector. Here the font we want to use the custom one, Helvetica Neue regular, and the size we will be using 20 as in the Facebook. Okay, here instead of that one we can just either to make it shorter, or we can write something like hello post, something like this. Okay, very good. And definitely we would require a placeholder label to be there, the same like we did for the bio. So we are searching for the label. Just let's drag it here, make sure it looks the same. And the size, definitely we need to make it the same. Here the font we select custom in the attribute inspector, regular, and the size will be 20 as well. So officially in the on the original official app of the Facebook, this label comes with a light gray color. So we'll select here light gray color. Excellent. And the placeholder says when there is no text written, so it says what's on your mind. This is the original placeholder in the Facebook app. So what's on your mind? So this is how we'll keep it. And so now since we aligned this one and the text view, the placeholder text view, we must add one button which will be responsible for uploading the images with the post. So we'll find now just a button. In my case, we will put it right over here. And we're going to attribute inspector here. Alignment will make it from the right. We'll align it to the right. Then we come here and the text we will write add picture like this. And as we discussed, guys, this must be centered according to the label. So to make it look on the same line. As we discussed the branding, we must make this button with some distinguishing features. Okay, distinguishing features from the general user interface to show to the users of the app that this is not a label or a text, that this is button, something which can be pressed. So if you remember, for the bio label, we used a medium font, which is little bolder than just a regular, and the 17 size with the Helvetica Neue. We'll do the same. Here the font will select Helvetica Neue. When you select custom, it will automatically select Helvetica Neue, and here we will select medium one, which is little bolder than a normal one. Okay, very good. This button will allow us to upload the picture to the post, and along with this, once the picture is uploaded, we want here to show uploaded picture like in the Facebook. And here we will search for the image view. Yeah, something like this. And we'll stretch it like that. And one moment which we must make here, let's select a home cover image. So you see our picture is getting stretched, which we really don't want to go with this. Okay, in order to show here, I won't say the original size, I will say a proportion, a real proportions of the image within height, original within height proportions. So here in the content mode, when we go to Attribute Inspector, we will select here Aspect Fit. So this is how we want to show our image. Okay, so since we have done with the general user interface, then what we will do is we will add here two buttons. We will search for the bar button items. These are the buttons for the bars. Here we go. So I'll select the left item and I will give it the name cancel, and in a right item I will give it the name share. When we click this button, it will share whatever we are about to post. Okay guys, so this is the main alignment for our page to upload the post. Let's go now further.